Time for some new Lugnuts. Alright guys, so we're gonna attempt to remove my wing right now. I don't know how this is gonna go. I hope it's not on there too tight. I guess we just go like that. A little bit of love. A little bit of... What are you laughing at? Oh, damn. Oh. We got the old carbon fiber wing. I'm just gonna give it to my boy with his white Mustang that was here. I don't know if you guys saw it or not. Look, he's coming down the street. Easy on the brakes, bro. His ass is where? His ass is what?
On my d.
Yo, what? Sir, what are we doing? Alright, so I know this is not the proper way to remove 3M tape, but this is all we have right now, so. Did it work? A little bit. So the old wing that I had on my car, which is over there, see I took off my wing, the carbon fiber wing, I'm gonna give it to him because he just got a Mustang and I got a new wing, so there's no point in me using it. So we're gonna take off this stock little wing and we're gonna install the brand new, the carbon fiber wing that I had on my car, we're gonna install it on this Ecoboost so that we can take off that hideous...
Mini Rustyy.
It's Mini Rustyy. So we take off that hideous stock spoiler. Yo, should I take it off? But then how the f do I take off the tape though? See, how do I take off the tape?
The tape automatically comes off. Look, watch. You can peel it.
Managed to get this side off with a little bit of love and patience. We managed to get it off.
All right, I'm gonna give you guys a little update. Here it is. It's looking pretty clean. We're putting this on.
Are your f***ing nipples so big?
Yo, what the f did I just witness, yo?
Man! You're staying there, bro, forever.
Lay the back down.
Hold it right there, Right here's perfect.
Hold it. Here's good. Right here.
Oh, you fucking moved his elbow.
Alright, press it down.
Yo, Eddie, go buy your spray bomb.
I saw it like on TikTok. It's like some shit that you put in your car. No, I'm serious. Like you just put it in and it goes.
Yo, Eddie, what are you doing?
Yo, so fuck paint. So charge me $3,000 for a paint job. And look at this fucking bitch right here. You got fucking Plastidip.
Do it to your tire.
What?
Alright, so I finished installing the GT350 track style wing on Rustyy 3.7 and it came out fucking delicious. Look at that. And now we're removing this with Goo Gone because the 3M tape wouldn't fall off any other way, so hopefully this works.
Goo Gone.
This right here, sponsor us, please.
You ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's see if it hopefully comes off.
Like it came off? You have to like absolutely destroy this thing with Goo Gone. Oh, you want to leave it there? I bet. There you go, that's how you make it work.
And this is what we do when you resort to Sergio's methods. You just...
That's not working.
It's not working? Put your back into it. Put your back into it.
For your car to
Hey, Nicki Minaj. Alright, so give me the inside of what's happening.
Alright, we got Rustyy. They're throwing Goo Gone all over the back of that car. All over. Trying to remove that. We got Danny over here struggling with the 3M. We got... Well, y'all already saw Rustyy.
Look. Give me a launch. Give me a launch. Fine, just floor it. Yo, look at this guy, bro. Yo, why is that? Yo, why did it low-key take off? It's faster than the Civic.
100%
It's faster than Eddie's Civic.
I'm telling you, the hybrid gives low-end torque. That's what
Yes,
it's for.
it's fast, bro. Might be faster than the Ecoboost. My way, with your glue.
That wing is garbage.
That wing is ass. You're gonna keep that?
Dude, that's falling apart from the sun.
Which one?
What? The carbon.
So, oh, he's gone. I don't have the keys. Chill, so what happened to your elbow?
Yeah. What do you mean by that? Dude, you can lick my all day, every day.
Want to make a movie, baby girl?
After a long day of trying to remove the first layer of 3M tape, we have succeeded, and now he has the pressure washer and he's writing his on my on my sidewalk. So after a long day of taking off 3M tape and trying to figure out how to take off 3M tape and putting on new 3M tape and some AutoZone trips, we figured out how to install these wings and we finally got them on. So on my car, I got the GT350 track style one. It looks sick because it's a little bit bigger and I'm gonna get the wicker bill eventually. It looks pretty fucking sick. It's like, it sticks out more. And then we got Rustyy's old wing, which is carbon fiber. How does it look?
Fire, bro. Appreciate it, dog. I'm kidding.
Nice.
Dale.
Just give it some gas when you leave, bro. Look at it squatting. What was that? He didn't even do a pull. Fine.
What are we doing today?
We are trying to take off fucking Lugnuts right now.
Looks like we're gonna be here a while. That ain't doing shit. What difference was that gonna make? Bring the light over here and show us what happened.
You want me to show you what happened?
Show the camera. Well, if you see that one straight, that one straight, that one straight, that one straight, not so much.
So it's not broken.
Well, it's just a little.
Holy fuck, you just ripped clean up. Look at this.
A 5-hour job just turned into a 30-hour job.
Today, bro, it's not even, I'm not even gonna fucking do this shit.
Looks like that's the least of your worries now.
Yeah, maybe.
It wouldn't come out. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll send that to you now.
Tell us what happened, Jordan.
Listen, bro, so we were trying to fucking take this shit off, right? And we had a fucking crossbar, breaker bar, whatever. Time for some new Lugnuts.
This is funnier than watching the video.
There goes the brake job.
Don't buy a Mustang. Don't buy a Mustang unless it's a fucking.
Sergio's always right.
You can see it from here. It's a little crooked.
We're recording this.
Bro, why don't you just bent all the other ones so then they all come off?
Alright, do you want to try the breaker bar or are you giving up?
Bro, I think at this point, I don't think anything's gonna work.
I'm just asking.
At this point, there's one Lugnut.
Because we can literally get like 5 feet of leverage. It's up to you.
Don't put that. Yo, you look mad creepy with the light. How much foot-pound of torque? All of it.
Come closer, come closer. I want you guys to acknowledge what the fuck happened here. So you see how all these Lugnuts are straight? And then you just got this one right here. Just this one right here. It's just kind of slanted. Just a little slanted down.
It's supposed to be like that.
No, it's not supposed to be. This cracked halfway through. I don't know whoever tightened
Yo, I bet it's cracked at Fortnite.
whoever tightened this wheel whenever they changed my tires in the front definitely torqued them way too much, and it's on every single tire. It's not just this one. Every single wheel is messed up. So to be honest with you, from this point forward, I don't really know what to do. The only thing I can do now is contact the shop or do some fucking bootleg shit.
Everything comes off if it's hot enough. So just blowtorch.
I have one.
Heat solves everything.
I just don't want to.
It can be stuck if it's a liquid.
What? Dude, you're gonna melt my fucking rim. You're gonna melt my wheels, man, and my Lugnuts, and then we're all.
You know what? I have a great idea. You just get new axles.
Alright, so I'm currently trying to contact people to see what the fuck I can do to get this wheel off, because I have to do the brakes. I bought a rotor kit from R1 Concepts. Shout out to R1 Concepts. And this is a problem because this is what I'm trying to do, and I can't do it now because the lug is gone. We got crippled over here. Can't really What do you got any words of wisdom for me, bro?
This is what the face of a frustrated man looks like.
Nah, I'm not even worried because like I'm just as soon as
for-
you become a YouTuber, everything goes to shit.
It's all for the content.
Yo, shout out to Just the Six, bro. I feel your pain, bro. Like, what do you do in this situation other than give it to a shop? Because there's nothing I can do. I could probably put WD-40 on it.
I mean, WD-40 does fix all your problems.
Yes, that is. I don't think
Let's try it.
WD-40 solved all the problems.
We got some specialist, fast-acting, penetrating fluid. If this unlocks my fucking Lugnut, I'm going to shit myself.
No, give it the fucking juice. Let it fucking. Yeah.
Yo, we're it's hammer time, baby. It's hammer time. Time for the shot, baby.
Bro, just get a V8. Problem solved. All right, guys. Well, that's the video.
So this is the end of the video for now. I mean, all we can do now is just wait. Stay tuned for next video. Rustyy 3.7. She's down for now, but she'll be back to see you on the next one, baby.
33 and 32, this shit go crazy. Might shave my head like Britney. Might go insane, but I broke my brain if I got this fame too quickly.
There's absolutely nothing. We got a problem.